Hey guys, welcome to Innovation.
Hope you guys are staying safe at home.
Today I'll be baking scones using the Thermomix 5.
The Thermomix is a machine which helps you cook and bake. It has lots of functions.
Okay guys, so first off when you're baking, you just need to wash your hands to make sure they're clean.
And obviously you need to get the ingredients.
So the list of ingredients will flash up right about now. Okay guys, now that we've got all the ingredients, we're going to start baking our scones. So let's get straight into it. More of our content, subscribe with post notifications so that you get notified as soon as we upload. See you guys in the next video.